Hello everybody and welcome back. Hands on with BLG. I am BLG. I am righty. I am lefty. It's probably dark in here, isn't it? Yeah, it's dark in here. Anyways, we got this frog. I found him out in the bushes. Out there, in the out front. In the bushes over there. Apparently, he got his left eye took out in WWII. Get it? Not World War II. I mean EYE. EYE. I. Shot out. And left for dead in the bushes. Well, I'm trying to fix it. What I've done so far, let me show you here. Not too difficult. I have, you can see it's a little rough yet. That's fine. What I've done so far is take a piece of paper towel, thusly, and wadded it up into a ball. Wadded it up into a ball. Nice and tight ball, right? Like this. That's what I've done so far. Boom. See? You can, right? Yeah. What I did then, just Elmer's glue wall. Right here. Elmer's glue wall. Open it. Poured some glue. Squirted some glue on the inside of the eye socket. Ew, gross, BLG. It's an eye socket. Yeah. And then stuffed this in there and let it dry. Then I just been kind of working little layers. It's still a bit damp because I've been adding just little layers of glue over the surface like this. Filling in the little gaps and holes across the eye like that. Just letting her sit. And that's all I've been doing. Hopefully we can save this. There's a big air bubble right there. I don't want you in there. I don't want you in there. There we go. And we're just going to let it sit and smooth out. I'm going to let that dry overnight. Zoom out, bitch. I'm going to let that dry overnight. We're going to see what happens. I'll continue working on it. And we'll get that dried up. We'll repaint this guy and repurpose him. Don't throw him out just because I got a smashed out eye. It's plastic. It's easy to fix, man. We can figure this out, right? And when I fix him, put it back in action. Repaint, repurpose. See you back here. That fucking eye gets dry. You ever had dry eyes? And I'm not talking about using eye drops, folks. No Visine. For you. None. See ya when this dries up. And we'll be out in the studio next. But yep. What do you do when trying to fix a frog when it's 72 degrees out? Well, bong. We sacrifice hamburgers on the grill. We're going to make cheeseburgers on the grill. Sacrifice to the frog eye. Cause of fixing the plastic frog. That probably cost about $1 or $1.50 somewhere at a dollar store or something, but it's only an eye, folks. Don't throw it away. Repurpose, right? Rebuild. We can rebuild it. I can put a camera in that little bastard. No. But yeah, we're just going to rebuild it. Just for something fun to do. I got a cooking episode coming up, but not yet. So, yeah, we're just having some fun. We're going to rebuild this little frog eye and see what we get. Look how filthy it is. Look at my car. It's all filthy. The motorhome's all filthy. We did plant corn. I planted corn over there. With some help. With some LAG to mama. And she planted green beans and carrots, I think. Down there. So we got a little garden plot. Right back there. We got peas already growing around the corner. Yep. Tomatoes over on this side over chaw. Down there. We'll see what happens. Yep. I'll catch you. We're going to sacrifice some burgers real quick. And hopefully that appeases the frog eye plastic gods. from WWII. I'll see you when we get ready to work on the frog again. Alrighty, we're back. It's the next day. Mr. Froggy's eye is getting there. It's got a nice harder crust going. Going to take some glue. Go back around these edges again here that keep going through. Maybe we'll have a little better luck today with it staying because it'll grip. You know what I mean? Go over here, around his little edges. Trying to close in the little gaps. We'll even go over his eyeball again. Try to get it somewhat built up here. Get the air bubbles out. Like that. We'll let them sit and dry and continue layers until that hole is filled in somewhat. Doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, it's better than his eye being, whoa. It's better than his eye being poked out. So, we'll let that dry and see where we get. Okay, so I'll see you after a while. Okay, folks, we're back out in the studio. Let's see if we can get this little frog here. He's down here somewhere. We're just going to try to touch his eye up a little bit. As you can see, it's dried and everything. So, I'm going to get a little bit of green, it looks like. Dash of green. Not much, just an itty bitty bit of green. Want a little bit of dash of white. A little dash of black. It looks like maybe just a dash of yellow too. Crap. I didn't get my yellow out. Little dash of that, little dash of yellow. Where's my yellow? We're just going to touch up both eyes so they kind of look similar. Little dash of yellow. There we go. I'll use my little bitty liner brush, my script liner. And I'm going to try to match this green up. I've got a really weird green color. So if I take some of this green over here, I'm going to try to find something like that. A bunch of this white. Some of the green and some white. I'll get something similar. It ain't going to be perfect. But like I said, I'm just going to touch up his eyes all together anyway. Touch more of the green. Touch more of the green. I'll get just close enough. Just something that makes his eyeballs. I'm going to come up around here. Paint all this. Fill him in green. This is the eyeball we replaced. Yep. So it's not going to be perfect. Doesn't have to be. Just going to try to get this eyeball shape back in him. Right around him we go. Lovely. More green, baby. Dash of water if you don't mind. A little bit more of the green, baby. There's a hair. I picked up a hair from somewhere. I wonder where that came from. There we're going. I'm going to just kind of bring this around here. Smooth as we can possibly get it. Nothing perfect. Said it's a repair. It's not going to be perfect. But I want it to look okay. Go like this. Get this filled in. So, we'll smear that. I'm going to come under his eye here. This touched up here. Across the bottom. Like so. About like that. Then I got like a little bit of tinge, just a tinge of yellow. I'm gonna put in this green. Looks to be anyway. Make it a little bit more yellowy color. Like so. On the outside part of his eye. It's gonna be this yellow or green, a little more yellow. I'll get a color here eventually that I like. Something similar, a little bit along here. Come around here. Run around in here, man. Just gonna give him an eye. Because he needs an eye back. Right along the bottom, here we go. Kind of this yellowish color green here. It's going to kind of go around like so. Like that. I'm going to touch up this eye to be about the same color, so it's close. Close enough, you know what I mean. Actually, pretty close anyway. There we go. Okay. Come around like this one more time. It's pretty close. Now I'm going to go more on the yellow side. More on the yellow side here. A little water. A bit more of the brighter yellow color. Well, brighter yellow, this part of his eye. Down through here. And this side of his eye is going to be brighter yellow. Down through here. Obviously. Not like that. Looks alright. Okay. Now, I'll wipe off the brush a little bit here. I'll get black. Where'd I put my black? Get me some dark black color. Put his eyeball in here. Yoink. Come up and around. About this big, I suppose. Looks pretty good. More of the black. I'm going to do this other side here. There we go. Kind of fill that eye in some. Looks alright. This guy's going to go back out in the yard, so it doesn't have to be perfect by any means. Come up along here. And give him just a little bit of his ridge back. Appearance that there's a ridge here, you know what I mean? So about like this. Because it's got like this little ridge on this side over here. That should do. Good enough. Rinse this guy out here like this. Wipe him off. Blow dry that. And let's see. I want to go back more into this yellow or green. I think I got his eye just a little bit big through here. I'm being too picky now. I don't care, man. Alright. Blow dry him. Alrighty, back into my white. Where did I put my white? Oh no! BLG, where is your white? Your white paint. Dude. It's over here. Okay. I'm going to give him his little dots back in his eyes. Boop. Over here. Boop. Yeah, I'm going to call him Sammy Frog Eye Jr. What do you think? Because he's got a fake eye. It's like Sammy Davis Jr. Yeah, that'll work. Alrighty. Quick, easy fix, right? A little bit of building up and whatnot. It's a little bit of kind of paper mache in him. We'll blow dry that. Is he still here? Yeah, we're still here. Okay, we're going to blow dry him. Wrong direction. Okay, that should be good. One more thing we're going to do. I'll be right back. Alrighty, folks. Just got a little bit of Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Double X Semi-Gloss Clear Coat. This will protect the acrylic paint from the weather. This guy's going back outside. Spin them around a little bit. Said he don't gotta be beautiful, perfect, but I do want to make him look alright. Here we go. Now he should be protected from the rain. I'm going to give him a blow dry. Right here. And we'll take him out and slap him out where he belongs. Hence where he came from. Well, actually, he came from the bushes, but we'll put him back where he goes out here in the front yard, being a decoration. There you go. He's chilling out in the chair. It's all good to go. Close enough. So, there he goes. Sitting in his chair. That's it for this episode, folks. I'll catch you next time. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I think I'm going to make some, I think I'm going to do some more kitchen in the next episode. So, anyways, until the next time, folks, y'all know what to do. That's right, people. Peace out. Peace out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.